All right, so here we are back at that rating schedule. Again, the rating schedule, it's like the teacher calling you before the test, right? Before the written test, say, hey, this is how I'm going to grade the test, right? If you get a sneak peek at how they're going to grade the test beforehand, why not take advantage of it? That's what the rating schedule is, right? For this condition, lower back. With the VA, lower back is normally classified as lumbar, right? They don't say lower back. I don't know if they say that anywhere in the rating schedule. So with lower back, lumbar. With the middle back, thoracolumbar, and then with the upper back, it's normally cervical spine type of stuff, right? So we're doing lower back for this one. So we're searching for lumbar, L-U-M-B-A-R. We do that find function, and now we just, boom, here we go. Yep, the spine. Ankylosis, stiffness, limited range of motion. That's what ankylosis is, right? Google it just to confirm. But it's like stiffness of the joints, I believe. Forward flexion of the cervical spine, 15 degrees or less, or favorable ankylosis of the entire cervical spine. Okay, so what we're getting from this, abnormal gait, or abnormal spinal contours such as scoliosis, reversed lordosis. I can read, but I don't know what any of this means, all right? Let's be honest. All I'm getting from this is range of motion, right? Whether or not your motion is limited. Abnormal gait. I know gait is the way you walk. So if you're walking abnormally, maybe, right? For the back, I don't know. So, but we address that abnormal gait and we address that range of motion limitation. All right, that's what we get from the rating schedule. Again, we're not you may be a doctor. I don't know. I'm not a doctor though, but I can get an idea of, okay, what are they looking at? Muscle spasms, guarding, right? Guarding severe enough to result in an abnormal gait. I'm trying to guard against spasms so much that it's adjusting the way I walk. I can understand the language. So just take a look at this. Okay, which of these things am I dealing with? Got it, got it, got it. Take this language, right, the things that pertain to you, and then add them to that 3-element statement. Let's go take a look at the statement. All right, and here we are at that 3-element statement, huh? Again, use the guidebook, took those answers, put them in the template, and then from that template, we got this example. Keeping it simple, again. Lastly, thank you for your time on this matter. As a person reading this claim, lay it out simple for them, right? Have the evidence there to back it up, so we can get this thing turned around, right? So they can get, and start dealing with the other claims that are not as good as your claim, huh? So now all we do, copy and paste this information and take it and put it right on that 4138. All right, we use the 526 to file the actual claim with the conditions on there listed one by one. The 4138 is for us to kind of spell out the claim, spell out the 3 elements. We suggest doing it with every condition to save yourself some time, and most importantly, save yourself some frustration, huh? Keep it simple, keep it useful. Here we go.